Never ignore this adorable sound. Your cat's snore might be trying to tell you something. At first, it's cute, that little puffed wheeze as your furry friend naps on your pillow. But wait, should cats even snore? Before you brush it off, hit like if you've ever caught your cat snoring, and subscribe if you'd still let them steal your bed. Because here's the truth, while some snoring is harmless, just like humans, it could also be a sign of something serious, like obesity, allergies, or even a respiratory issue. Think of it like a fuzzy little alarm clock, except it's snoring for help. So next time your kitty's purring turns into a chainsaw, don't just laugh, listen. Comment a heart if your cat's ever snored louder than you.